Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you use Google Drive and by mistakenly sometimes you delete some photos, files and data. So how to recover this data without facing any problem, no need to install any third-party software or application. You just simply follow my tips and tricks and very easily recover the data. As a demo point of view, I delete one of the folders including couple of files and I will restore the entire file very quickly. Let's start on my Mac screen. This is my official Google Drive folder. Inside the Google Drive folder here, bunch of folders are available. I just simply delete one of the folders here, my PhD folder, and inside the PhD folder, my PhD related important documents is available. I just simply click here three dots, move to trash. Again, I enter here bin folder and then delete forever. Look at this here, phd will be delete forever, you can't. So now my data is delete. We can spend here around like a 130 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days, and afterwards we are thinking, oh, my data is very important, I want to restore this data. So what should I do? It's very easy. Just simply open here new tab in Google and type here Google Drive help. You need to type here Google Drive help. The first link is display here. Even I already added this link in video description. You click and come to it directly here. I just simply click here Google Drive help, and inside the Google Drive help, make sure same Google Drive you can log in here. So here we receive here bunch of other information. I just simply click here recover deleted files from the drive. I just simply click here recover deleted files in Google Drive. Here basic information is available, recover permanent deleted file with our root, start recovery file here, request, you can generate the request, scroll down here, restore files from Google Drive. You just simply click here and then see which types of file you want to recover or restart. Check all the trash files and restore. If it is not possible, you need more recovery from the root level, you just simply click here in the contact us and tell us what we can help you. You just simply say here help me out, my latest deleted files and folders I want to recover, because of this one is very important for me. You just simply type here this message or as per your convenience, next, and here choose the best description for this issue. Permanent deleted file, deleted my files, can't find my files. So I just simply say here permanent deleted my files and say next, and here resources related information is available, recover deleted for Google file, find my lost and so on. We can say here next and request file recover. If I click here request file recover, so again verification, authentication, Google are asking us for the same email address. So look at this here, we are receiving try recover step before beginning recover account so and so, check bin and search drive, make sure the file is there. Would you be able to find the recover file? You say no, I'm not able to say file no, and just say select the language, which language you accessing. I just simply go with the English language. Recover files limitation, here the recover file limitation is we can only recover files in last 25 days, anything deleted. But as my personal opinion, if your files is older than 25 days, you should try the same process. Most of time your data is a recover if you applying the same process. So I just simply say here okay, I just delete today only. So I can say okay, request file recover file. Look at this here, we are receiving Google Drive request your case ID so and so, this Gmail address. I just simply show it to you, open my email address here, and I am receiving here the confirmation okay, we can try to recover your data. Again I go back here and then simply same times and I refresh here, but still my file is not showing here. Wait couple of seconds, I refresh again, still my file is not showing. I go back here in the Gmail and then refresh again. Let's see my file is showing here or not. Not yet. Again I go back here and then refresh again, and boom, look at this here. My first file is showing here, phd. I just simply delete this phd file. Inside the phd folder some content is showing. So it's very easy. Less than 5 to 10 minutes I can recover my deleted file. Even I delete this folder permanently, still using this process you can recover your data very easily, no matter which types of data you deleted on your Google Drive. Hope you like this video. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.